So here's some tips for healthy cooking at home. When cooking, use stainless steel or cast iron, but don't use a non-stick, plastic, tin or aluminium, as these will leach into your foods. So the stainless steel and the cast iron is the most ideal. Also, to cook your food on a medium to strong heat, but not to pressure cook the food, as it basically tears it apart and does an injustice to the food. So it must be cooked over a hot flame on a sort of medium to warmer flame. Always cover the food when cooking, as many of the nutrients may leave, so to keep all the flavors in, we want to cover it. Also, the ingredient shouldn't change its color. If it changes its color, it's lost the nutrients. We want to hold the nutrients inside. So slow cooking, medium cooking is ideal then to hold the nutrients. We never ever burn the food. Once it's burnt, it's completely void of nutrients. As for adding salt is better to be added in the last few minutes of cooking, not before, so as that you don't cook the salt and then not afterwards at the dinner table. No, it's put in the last few minutes of cooking. Never cook honey, sugar, salt, as they all become toxic when you heat them. Jaggery is more commonly used as a sugar, or so is sugarcane, and molasses is also used too. So we're looking for food that comes more direct from nature, is considered more sattvic. The less that we have to cook it, sort of the better, but at the same time you may not want to eat raw foods. To cleanse all the toxins off the foods, it is ideal to wash them, at least wash them. But if you wanted to do an even more of a better job to clean chemicals off it, we could put all the vegetables and fruits through a wash with water and baking soda. And it's advised to always cook meat, never eat meat raw. So always cook your meat, even if it's medium rare, but Ayurveda would suggest sort of more medium and to well done on meats.